Well, we have a pretty sunrise to start things off here this Thursday morning as we look outside our Wyoming Medical Center Skycam right now. A warm start for the capital city, 68 degrees already. West winds at 14 miles per hour. Over in Casper, we've got some sunny skies as well to start the day off. Not quite as warm though, 58 degrees there. North-northwest winds at 10 miles per hour. And over in Laramie right now you see the pretty blue skies over the horizon. Cooler, 52 degrees. Southeast winds at 9 miles per hour. Plenty of sunshine to around start the day off. Peeking at the radar, we're all clear across the Cowboy State as we get going into your Thursday morning. Zooming out though, we can see a stationary front has set up across the Cowboy State, which will lead into wet conditions beginning this afternoon, but really getting going as we head into your Friday and over the weekend. Highs for the afternoon, 89 degrees in Cheyenne, 94 in Wheeland as well as in Torrington. Casper at 93 degrees and Riverton at 91. The warm spots this afternoon are 94 degrees in Torrington and in Wheatland at 94 degrees. As for lows tonight, 57 degrees in Cheyenne, 58 degrees in Casper, 60 degrees in Riverton. Zooming out, we see the cool spots, 45 degrees at Yellowstone National Park, but that's a bit warmer than what they've been seeing recently overnight. Now here we go for our futurecast going through the afternoon. Around lunchtime, again, see some storms popping up in southwestern Wyoming. Wouldn't rule out a few storms in southeastern Wyoming later on this afternoon either, but the main rain event begins tomorrow. We actually begin to see that tonight. Some storms in northwestern Wyoming as we head into the overnight hours as clouds building in overnight. And as we start your Friday off, already seeing some wet conditions still hanging around northwestern Wyoming. But then as we get going into your Friday morning, we get more of those storms popping up now in the southeastern Wyoming, but still the majority of them are still in the western half of the state. Going later on to the day, they become more intense. Central Wyoming getting their fair share of rain, and southeastern Wyoming, Cheyenne likely to see some storms as well. Going later on to your Friday evening, those storms will push to the east, making their way into northeastern Wyoming and towards South Dakota as well as the Panhandle of Nebraska. We still got a few storms lingering behind in northwestern Wyoming as well. And Saturday is going to be another wet day and potentially Sunday as well. As for our rain totals for your Thursday, not a whole lot. We got about a quarter of an inch in Evanston. We go through your Friday though, and those totals definitely pick up around a third of an inch in Jackson Hole and Yellowstone National Park, as well as Evanston. We got a quarter of an inch in Big Piney, Cheyenne around a tenth of an inch, and Gillette at around a quarter of an inch. And those totals will likely go up on your Saturday. Highs for your Friday, 78 in Cheyenne, 91 in Casper, and that 91 degrees in Casper is the warm spot overall. Hurricane Dorian right now just off the coast of South Carolina near Charleston. Charleston receiving hurricane force winds and some heavy rain at this time. As we go throughout the rest of the week and into the weekend, Dorian could potentially brush the east coast of the U.S., making a temporary landfall, but more than likely will stay out over sea, just bringing those winds to the shores and the coast of the eastern U.S. And it will weaken as it goes north because the waters will no longer be warm enough to fuel the storm anymore. Let's go into your extended forecast now. A wet weekend ahead for the capital city. Rain chances Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Heading into next week, though, sunshine comes back and our temperatures are in the upper 70s. Casper is also very similar. Some rain chances over the weekend. You might want to have that umbrella handy. And we're seeing the upper 70s and lower 80s as we head into next week. Rest of the viewing area, keep the rain jacket and umbrella handy over the weekend. You're going to need it. But you can put it up as we head into next week. Temperatures are looking a lot cooler to go along with that as